Allow me make welcome onto the show for today, the late night show today. Justina, the almost too sexy singer, baby, every. Justina, easy bit. Play our this thing. We are welcoming somebody. What's wrong about you? J baby, what up?
I'm good.
Justina,
I'm good.
how far you go? Follow us, Knack Pigeon, no?
Okay.
We walk around come area.
No Wahala now.
I
be area, babe.
You're in area now, correct?
So forget those levels say person don't stay outside for so many years. Exactly. Still be area.
Talking about the outside things now. We don't say for a while now you don't dey outside country they do things. She not saying that your music carry you come out. I mean, you just decide on your own to say, make I come out for this Nigeria while and everything.
No, 11 years ago now, love.
Now love.
Yeah.
11 years ago.
Yeah.
Love.
Yeah, but later the love things don't.
It don't go one
it
side.
Don't go one side.
Okay,
so
we'll
music.
Not talk about that one. Now no concern us again. But now music.
Now music now. Now be the main thing.
We not say for a while you first come out for the scene. Unto say small accidents where you been get, we can just try slow you down small.
Yeah.
We even get some of the pictures then where people go see. Tell us what's happened onto the whole thing. Like
you know, say I've been for early 2012. I round up my tour for Europe. So for Munich, for Germany.
Yes.
On our way from the hotel to the concert. I had an accident and almost cost me my legs. But thank God, it was that like.
Now the picture of the motor be that.
Yes, exactly. Wow. And thank God, everything. It was really. I was in coma for 4 days.
For 4 days.
And just thank everything. History now. It took me about a year to recover. To feel waka again.
To waka again. As in they can't put you on top clutches or wheelchair.
I did hospital for like 3 months and from wheelchair they start to teach me how to walk and everything again. And this was when I came out of coma. Yeah, this was after 5 days of the accident.
Hey, so that means as this one just happened, boy, everybody gonna shout, praise the Lord! Because not everybody enter this kind of thing come out to.
Not be everybody.
Not be everybody, because some people don't pass their goal.
For so say, as me say no be helicopter carry me come out there. They say I for no make them.
Helicopter not can carry come out for that place.
From there.
We thank God for their
ambulance self no fit carry me. But if ambulance the delay, I fit no wake up.
For road.
For road.
Hi.
So now, that was how critical it was. It was really, but I give God glory. It's been 2000 and now it's been about 4 years.
About 4 years now.
4 years now,
yes.
and that's why I just went down a little bit. And since I recovered, I've just been on tour in Europe with my band.
Okay.
Abroad, because I have before Almost Too Sexy, before all those time, I had my career in Europe. So I left it to come benefit small from our industry because I don't invest in the industry before I go abroad.
Okay.
But then the industry never grew as it grew. I performed to 10,000, 100,000 crowd, for example. And I open for big artists that we know back here. Like for example, Hot Chocolate, me and them are on concerts.
I've been here, like, Latvian blues band.
Latvian blues band, they are big in Russia. And at the moment, I just finished the concert about 8 days ago in Russia. It was about 4,500 people paid to see me.
Wow.
It's not a concert for anybody. It's me coming to perform for them. So that's how big I am abroad. But my own people for here no
so
all these things.
Let me cause carry you come to show today say because me I know I don't know Justina waste some time back. You understand? Even for radio that year, we been know the whole thing. Because for a while, because say okay, but we thank God. We thank God because either which way you they make progress. So as you don't come, now you don't come back to Nigeria. To come stay, Abi, now just to visit and go back again.
I just round up my winter tour.
Winter tour.
Yeah.
Just tour now.
Listen, live music. Live music now tour now. If if you release live CD, you have to be on the road. You have to let the people see what I'm a live performer, so we not be people where they use a CD perform. We're live musicians, and so when you release a CD, like at the moment now, my colleague abroad, Asha. She's just started her own tour now. I just ended up my own winter tour. My summer tour is starting in 3 weeks' time. I'm going back on the road, and I'll be in 10, 11 countries. So it's the road is where we make the job.
And then if they connect with your people one-on-one,
exactly.
Let me say you put CD for outside, that you sit down for us, lock up the remaining money, they come meet you. You go till they get to that one-on-one. Because not everybody's having this live performance thing. Even me, they do live band that year. You understand? You should hear the small thing I sing just now.
As I did it, I shocked. I said,
you shocked now.
This guy get voice.
Yeah, and they sing. If you just freestyle here now. No, just start anything. Maybe we just freestyle it. You understand? We just do something.
You pick them up now. Make
Okay,
you know, so you be like Organa for
okay,
this level now.
Just give me what I go sing about. Give me what I go sing about.
Life, love.
Life, love. Where I will start from now?
You're so funny. This
Oh,
guy is so funny.
this life.
That one a super story. I know you're this life, something like that.
She catch me for there. I've always escape routes.
This is a super story. Don't go there.
But okay, make I tell you that one. He's the super.
Don't finish.
Oh!
This guy will try. You didn't try. You didn't try.
Take
time now. Take time.
This
guy they try.
I thought I'm making him sing just now. No fit do anything. He say he don't hook. I go there, yeah. You go sing. You go decide play to come and watch me for
Okay,
stage.
move on like this.
Sing by sing.
Tell me what you feel right now.
Tell me what you feel right now.
Do you say I'm the only one?
Do you say I'm the only one?
Cause you know that I love you.
Cause you know that I love you.
Do you know what you just did was professional?
Hey!
What you just did was professional.
Applause!
You know?
Applause!
And that's one thing about singers.
Yes.
Like everybody doesn't have the same pitch. Everybody doesn't have the same tone.
Yes.
If there's a certain key of a song, what you did was you just became a professional like in that sport.
Hey, God. From Justina.
You don't need to sing and the right singer, and you just go your leg. You just realize, okay, see my tone. Now hear my tone there. Then you put on there.
Oh, blackguard. Applause again. They beat me. See your face. That day there. I go still go on top with her now. That day we all roll. Only you go to present this show.
You go all crack me, everybody. Everybody go all laugh. They're not gonna listen to my music again.
Even miss, I know I no go serious. I know I no go serious. But seriously now, so what will be a new project we Justina get on ground now?
We just, I just round up the winter tour,
Yes.
and since after the accident, this was the live CD in concert we released with my More Blues band, with an Italian band that is always on the road with me.
Okay.
And yeah, it's called The Touch of Blues. You can get it on iTunes if you want. If you love blues, soul, funk music, this is what is inside that CD. And this is for my Nigerian people, because we know at the moment, Nigerian is not yet accepting live blues music.
Exactly.
And this is my passion. This is what I am. So I cannot throw that in one side. So I have to do it because we've got one life. You have to live what you're good at, what you know it's you. You have to share it to the people. You know, if you live fake life, you know. Most people are like, most musicians want to do what everybody's doing.
Exactly. That's everybody. They want to do the same thing.
I tried that. I tried it about 9 years ago. That was with Almost Too Sexy.
Yes.
And it made impact. It made impact. A lot of people love it. Many people love that song. And I made a lot of money from it.
Okay,
yes.
Okay. Because I go ask that one too.
Yes. No, get her wrong. Oh, these guys here, they make money past people like we.
Don't back there for you now. Not
Hey, serious money, like serious money. So I made this compilation CDs, New Life. I wrote this song when I was in the hospital. All this album was, I wrote most of the 80% of the song was in my hospital bed.
Serious?
That's New
So
Life.
why is there for that hospital?
Are they right? Even the nurses, when they come in, I get my books, everything. I'm a songwriter as well. I write for people. I publish music as well. I'm a composer as well.
Okay.
So I was writing all these songs just to, New Life is about appreciating what I have, you know? Me now, me, every minute of my life, I'm a very agile, I'm very fit, and suddenly I'm shut down like...
From that accident,
like,
it just make everything stop.
Crush.
Boom.
And I kept about 5,600 people waiting for me in concert.
Wow.
And I have no explanation. My band had to just perform one kind.
So at least just so they make sure say that you carry the thing.
Exactly. So waking up and they're telling me, Madam, you've been in coma for 4 days. And I'm like, are you joking? Are you playing with me or what? And I want to try to stand up. I know if you stand up. Now only here they walk. Everything was wrong. You know, all those things. And it took me about few months to be able to sit down again. So I get to appreciate these little things that we take for granted every day, you know? At the moment, a friend of mine is going through that. He's been on the wheelchair for over a year now, and his own happened in Nigeria. They flew him abroad, and they almost want to take out his leg.
Almost.
Almost, but now I thank God for the surgery, the last surgery he did. is going successful. So all these things, I wrote song like New Life, you know.
Now inspired this whole new life
thing
compilation like this.
Exactly.
I see this different I see fine
things,
boy,
exactly.
stronger, going crazy. Hey,
Yeah,
all this one for bed. Now there is not the Justina, you there for bed, you still think fine boy.
Of course.
You still think stronger, okay, stronger go according to this. Say tonight.
Tonight now to live the life. You know, sometimes when you're into depression, I fell into depression. I was dealing with it for like a year now.
Because you go
exactly.
Yes.
But when you're into that, I just realized, say, why being depressed?
Yes.
Tonight is the night. Like I've got this moment. I feel there this bed now, or I feel there for this my wheelchair or these clutches. But life's still there. Now person will get life. Exactly. So all those today feel down and everything. I won't still live my life.
Correct. All right, so these two ones that on ground now, the More Blues with the Justina Lee Brown and okay, A Touch of Blues.
That's the name of the
this
CD.
one, Touch of Blues. If you get this one for iTunes,
For iTunes.
All right,
there.
and then Justina Lee Brown, New Life. So a compilation of different things for our Naija people them. We did for house there. You go fit get this particular. If you get them for outside, Abi?
Yeah, for my website, Justina Lee Brown.
Okay, just go our website. You will get them Justina Lee Brown. Go there, you get very inspiring. Not be all the now when they for outside, go they like pong pong pong, like noise, like wala. Not before now. This one for secluded kind of people. You understand? But as it be like this now, make una they appreciate everything when I get. I can't look my leg now, they appreciate them. Even though it's in where, but they appreciate them.
Is it you say it's in?
Appreciate your fingers. You understand? Imagine you don't get those fingers now.
I know we feel this stuff.
You can use your elbow to the mix. You know go fit work. You understand? So Justina, thank you very much. See, follow us down for here.
Thank you.
But which state you come from like this? Huh?
I have cats in my own town. I be half Yoruba, half Delta Igbo.
Delta Igbo. Which side for Delta?
Ubuluku, Asaba.
Asaba. You're not too far from my side now. Me now Ogwashiuku.
Really?
Yeah, not small border. But sometimes they claim they Akwa Ibom side too. So like they tell them every time, me now Akwa Del. Akwa Ibom and Delta.
Which of your parents come from?
My papa now be Akwa Ibom.
You be Akwa Ibom.
But I grew up for Delta and I raised me.
No
Akwa Ibom blood they side.
But
the two blood they're wicked.
They're wicked.
Somebody confess now. I will tell you after we come up for this thing. I will tell you. Somebody confess. Say, you are wicked. Hey, hug me, baby.
You're such a funny guy.
Understand?
Oh
And then
my
they take off
God.
from. Hug me. Yeah.
You've made my day.
Thank you very much. You know, you make our day pass. As you come from us
you.
on top of the show today like this.
Thank you.
And they wish you the best.
Thank
All right?
you very much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Justina and I follow us down top the show for today. The two albums, the two album I will call them now, be?
Yeah, two albums.
Two albums. We
One
don't
live
now.
and one studio work.
One live and one studio work. More Blues with Justina Lee Brown. A Touch of Blues. iTunes go jam for there. Then this one for everybody them. Justina Lee Brown, New Life. You go see them for her website, Justina Lee Brown, JustinaLeeBrown.com.
And they should watch out for my summer tour that is coming up.
And then a summer tour they come up too. Now go see them on top every. This one.
These are just things like to my day for Deutsch, eh?
Okay.
Just to have an idea.
You see, when people don't do international things, it's different. For here, everybody they go, just they do any alpha, track two, anything. No be see everything package, organized. All right, so we will come out with this her live performance, and by the time we come back, we'll continue the rest of the show on top of the late night show. Justina, one more time, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
We wish you the best. Now you make our day. Thank you very much. All right, so we'll take our live performance, then we continue the rest of the show. Easy beat, not be you, forget.
Something deep down in my soul, so girl. When I saw you in her door again. Ooh, I would rather go blind than I see you walk away from me, child. No.